A warm welcome to all. Today we are going to see one of the inspiring, amazing poem, Unit 2.1 Invictus by William Ernest Henley, 1849 to 1903. He was born in England, educated at Crypt Grammar School and University of St. Andrews. He wrote this poem when he was suffering with tuberculosis in the hospital. It's all about showing courage in the face of death and of the will to survive hardship. Our actions are the result of our own feelings, and we must take the responsibility for everything that happens in our life. Let's see the poem in detail, page number 28.
Unit 2.1 Invictus means unconquerable or not to surrender. Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In this line, the poet says that even in the dark of night covers him by black as the pit. Here pit means deep or large hole in the ground or from one pole to another. From one pole to another through the entire world. Or you can assume from North Pole to South Pole also. Then too, he thank whatever God may be. Okay, for his unconquerable soul, that is not to overcome or defeated. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the burgeonings of change, my head is bloody but unbowed. In the fell clutch means wicked trap of circumstances. Wicked means it fully trap of circumstance. Any situation, he has neither react with pain nor cried aloud. Under the burgeonings means violent beating with a club. Meaning is given through his violent suffering and his head is bloody, means he is hurt, yet he told his head high up and never bowed to anyone. Beyond this plate of wrath and tears looms but the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years find and shall not find me unafraid. The poet further tells that this life is full of wrath. Wrath means your anger, and tears loom. Loom here meaning is given hangs out. But the horror of the shade means beyond this life, there is a darkness. Even though of the shade, darkness of the shade, or fear of the horror means your fear of the shade, and yet the menace means your threat over the years. Even his life is full of suffering year after year, finds and shall not find me unafraid. However, he is and he will not be afraid of the threat of future sufferings. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul, by William Ernest Henley. So here it is some biblical reference is given, like that we are assuming that after the death there may be heaven. So the entrance of the heaven gate is very narrow, and there is a sort of punishments written in the scroll. Scroll, you know, na, in that a short. There are even the kings also using in the scrolls to give the punishment, and the judge also using writing all the things in the scroll to give a certain people punishment. To the scroll, it is a paper format used by the in the former the king were used. Even in today's also the judges are all using writing the punishments in the scroll only. Okay, so it is a matter not how straight the gate, how charged with punishment the scroll. The poet here uses biblical reference of a narrow gate that the soul has to pass through after the death, and the scroll of the punishments. I am the master of my fate. Is telling the writer is telling, I am the master because he is the in charge of his fate. I am the captain of my soul. Captain person who is commanding the ship. So here he is the commander of his soul. Who is the author? William Ernest Henley. Thank you. Theme of the poem. The poem Invictus, written by William Ernest Henley, bring out the theme of being courageous and strong during difficult circumstances in life. The poem deals with the idea that no amount or kind of hardship in life can control one's soul if one is determined to face them bravely. One's future is determined by his or her actions. Appreciation of the poem Invictus. Note that whenever you are writing an appreciation of the poem, you should always write in a paragraph format. The title of the poem Invictus means the one who is unconquered. The author of the poem is William Ernest Henley. The rhyme scheme of the poem AB AB, CD CD, EF EF, GH GH. Now the figures of speech. Black as the pit from pole to pole. Here the figures of speech is simile. A direct comparison has been made between the night and the pit. Even the same one more figures of speech. Black as the pit from pole to pole. P are repeated. So alliteration. The sound of the letter P is repeated for creating a poetic effect. Now, central idea of the poem. The central idea of the poem is determination and courage during times of trouble and hardship. The poet gives his own example and tries to send the message that is one is responsible for whatever good or bad happens in his or her life. Thank you.